welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to take you all to the Dollar Tree in March 2022. This is spring season. You can see so many welcome boards. You can hang it on the entrance door. With lot of pretty colors, these garlands are here. You can also find these Easter welcoming boards and also with bunnies of different colors. At this time you will find so much gardening stuff from Dollar Tree, and each and every item is very useful for this price. I found different varieties of pots at this time with beautiful artificial flowers and also different sizes of the plant pots. This is a pot plate with the wheels on the back. So by using this you can move your large plants here and there. This is a very useful item, so I purchased this one. And I found these beautiful dinner plates along with glasses. These spray bottles were hung up like this in this Dollar Tree, and I found this transparent spray bottle here, so I took this one. This time I found this toothbrush and cup holder. These are new items along with the over the door hooks gold color one. This time I found these beautiful color water pitchers. These glass jars with lid is so beautiful, and with steel lid is also very useful. Different type of decoration stuff, they are so beautiful, and mirrors in different sizes. This is an interesting tool. I found it from the automobile section. Small screwdriver with lot of nuts for $1. Lot of collection of different colors of artificial flowers at this time. This small lantern with the light inside is so much beautiful. I found different colors in them, white and blue. So many varieties of toys for the kids. I found these beautiful stickers on the book section, and also see the beautiful sharpeners in different shapes. After arranging all the decoration stuff from Dollar Tree, it is looking like this. It is so beautiful. This time I purchased few of the garden items from the Dollar Tree. I hope this video is more interesting to buy something from Dollar Tree. Thank you for watching. See you next time.